So here's the machine in question. We're going to run a program that runs through all speeds of the spindle at various points, does about 4 tool changes, and runs all the axes in rapid motion. "50 RPM, and it will get up to its max speed of 7,500 in a few minutes. Kicked into high gear. Spindle sounds pretty good. This should be top spindle speed coming up. "7,500 RPM. Back down to 50. So we're back. The program is now looping. I'll show you the key. Okay, we're going to show you the chip feed works. Forward operation, stop button works. Reverse also works.